made it, guys. Check out this chicken factory. So we get to pick whatever we want out here.
Yeah.
Just kidding. We've got select chickens we get to have because Angela has chickens she for sure wants to keep. We are gonna go mess around in the chicken coop here in a little bit. That's their new chicken coop built by Homestead Rescue. Pretty cool. Well, we're gonna go take a look at the new goats that they've got. They got some sheep over here. We're gonna take a peek at those and see what's up with those as well. And then we'll come back and round up chickens. All right, guys, this is the new birthing hutch.
That's the newest one.
So cool.
And those are the two girls over there.
This one's got one leg, like a sock. Pretty cool. And then over here we've got, so this is Winter, guys. This is our goat that they...
It's not your goat, it's our goat.
They had bought from us. Will forever be my goat. And then these are her babes in here too. And these are boys or girls?
Girls. She's two girls.
Winter, what you got? You a mama? Are you a mama?
And the other one's behind her back there.
Look out, pup. Look out, pup, pup. Look out, pup, pup.
Pallets. But there they are.
Nice,
you
man.
Inside.
Hey, you little dudes.
Those are the first two born.
These ones are so cool looking. Good Lord, Jeremy, make the door a little bigger.
Well, not built for big guys.
Ugh. We made it. We're in.
You want to go inside and see them?
These guys are they're very cool looking. They're a lot different looking in the face than, pull that one out a little bit. They're a lot different looking in the face than the goats we're used to.
They got the Nubian, but they've also got that Boer and that Angora look.
Yeah.
But they also got the Nigerian dwarf too, which is what the mom is. So it's a really cool combination. Their faces are just cute as hell. Heck.
Yeah, well, it'll be interesting too to see if it keeps, you know, if you get short, stocky meat goats out of them, or if the dwarf in them doesn't keep the size small and they wind up being big.
Yeah, it's a cool experiment. It's gonna be fun to see.
So this one's pretty cool. I don't know if you would necessarily call these moon spots, but usually when goats have these round spots like that, they're called moon spots.
That's what Angie was saying. She said that he is considered a moon spot because of the how dark they are and they got the shading in them, I guess. But I don't know.
Yeah, super cool.
He's just cool looking. I don't know.
So the one thing nice about, like, if you get moon spots, they're sold instantly. Like, they just go, and they go for a little bit more around here too. So if you wind up getting moon spots genetics in your herd, it's good for the business. Yeah,
she's most likely gonna, depending on what Junie throws, he's the top pick for us to keep.
Yeah. Are you guys trying to keep small? Oh, this one's so sweet.
Not necessarily.
Small goats?
Not necessarily. We want to keep them, we don't want too tall, big goats, but we want them kind of mid-grade as, for meat, to kind of make them stocky. We don't know. I mean, this is all Angie's thing. I pretty much feed them.
And the cool thing about it is you can always switch. You know, if you're like, okay, this like us, and we haven't announced it yet, but we are changing the way we do pigs, right? So we've been doing pigs a certain way, and we're changing it up completely. So just because you're doing something doesn't mean you have to stick to it. So if you guys don't like the smaller goats, or you want to stick to smaller goats, you get rid of your big ones, keep your small ones, get rid of your small ones, keep your big ones.
So there was really no plan. When we got the buck, it just kind of fell in our lap.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the price they wanted was what they were asking originally, and what we got it for was a lot less. And he's just crazy. So far, he's thrown some really cute babies.
He's got cool coloring.
But we were basically more going for milk and the milk flavor.
Yeah.
And I think the meat part's just going to be an added benefit.
These things have like a puppy dog face look to them.
They're
super
just
cool.
Adorable.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna get pajamas soon. Angie wants to do pajamas on them all. And then of course there's gonna be goat yoga. Which we don't do yoga.
Goat yoga. All right, well, let's go round up some chickens, Kens. What do you think?
Okay.
See if I can get back out of this thing.
Good luck.
So we're getting 4 hens, 2 roosters. You guys are picking out a big rooster for us, right?
No, dude, we're giving you 2 good roosters. Just not our best, of course. We got to keep them.
Right.
But we got one that turned out to be a twin of one of the roosters we originally wanted. So we weren't expecting to have another rooster. We thought it was supposed to be a hen.
Okay.
So
we don't
lost your gain.
We don't really care. We just want egg layers.
Yep. And we got them.
Okay, let's go hunting, Kins.
There's actually it's not one. It's laying right now.
Should have brought my O-light.
Right? Only had a flashlight that worked in this kind of lighting.
All right, guys, we're putting the O-light to use.
That's some good light here. Check this.
Blind them, and then. So, are we getting any of these? You can tell.
In here, the bottom middle. No, that's Bailey's chicken. Those 2 are sharing. No, they're all outside. The ones that you're gonna get.
Okay, we're outside then.
Yep, they may have already laid for the day.
Get in there, Ken. He's trying to tell you. With the big comb?
Here, so quick.
Turn around, Ken. Turn and stop. Now walking around. There's another one on the log to the front of you, Jeremy. Now to your right.
Where's the rooster at? Is that the rooster behind you? No, he's coming out right now. Right there. Kim's that big rooster right in front of you. Just move in slow, Keith. Kim, he's moving behind you. Hold still. See the rooster? Yeah, throw this one over. Slowly. Slow. Get him, Kim. Just wait right there, Kim. Wait for him to come back out. Just wait there. Wait for him to come back out.
Camera died, guys, but we got 4 in there. And we're working on 2 roosters. Piece of cake.
Alright. I gotta go shower.
Thanks, Micah. Appreciate it. All right, guys, let's take a look. We got a goofy looking chicken that Angela insisted that we take, which happened to be like the hardest to catch too, so that was cool. And 4 layers.
Yay! Oh yeah. What's
you-
that white one?
Got you some chickens.
Look at that one.
The white ones are good layers.
Really? There was one
Yes.
that looked like that. That looked like Elvis.
Both of these breeds, Jeremy said, are really good layers.
Nice.
So we should be good. And then look at that ridiculous rooster they gave us. He was hard to catch.
Yeah, it took us like 5 hours.
So we need to get these guys into the chicken coop, and then we'll just leave them in the cage for a while the other chicks sort of get used to them. Cows.
Okay.
Welcome home, chickens. They found the opening. They're out of here.
You keep walking, I won't let them out. Where's Boo? Hiding in that corner. She doesn't like chickens. Hey, we used to maybe get out.
So is that too crowding?
No, you go.
Okay, so I'm gonna get
Take that out.
goodish.
Kim, do you want to put them in the cage? You want to put them in the cages, and I will put them in the ground? Well, otherwise they'll be up there. So if I mean here, I can run the camera, and then hand them to